Good morning, Kate Shepherd Elementary School. Today is Wednesday, October 12th, 2022. Today's weather: high of 84 degrees, low of 68 degrees. Scattered thunderstorms, 50% chance of rain, mostly cloudy. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Wednesday, October 12th, 2022. Chicken patty, biscuit, fruit choice, juice choice, hamburger. At lunch, hamburger, romaine and tomatoes, tater tots, fruit choice, and juice choice. Today's announcements. Please place attendance between 8:20 through 8:30. We will have an honor parade on October 20th for students receiving A, B, or perfect attendance. Honor roll form should be placed in Ms. Lipscomb's box at this time.
Admin will begin phonics first walkthroughs next week for grades K through 3. Remember, this is a district-mandated program that should be fully implemented with fidelity. Your students should know the routines and procedures well by now. Today's late duty is Miss Waller, tomorrow Moeller, and Friday Miss Shepherd.
October 14th, 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17 to 21, book fair. October 17, statewide parenting day, Red Cross Blood Mobile. October 21, Kona Ice. October 24 to 28, Red Ribbon Week. October 24, faculty meeting. October 27, Read for the Record. October 28, Feel Good Friday, Book Cake or Dress Up. November 2nd, No Tardy Party for students with no tardies or early dismissals during month of October. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 21 to 25, Thanksgiving break, no school. Happy birthday, Wednesday,
AR Superstars. These are our AR Superstars who have met their quarterly goal. In Miss Arch, Chloe Arnold, Chloe Fair, Ariana Hadley, Riley Shears, Jamari Williams. In Miss Barnes, Jaden Forrest, Chrisette Lawson. In Miss Bertolino, Alasia Dean, Lillian Schoenbaum, Armani Ward, Tiana Washington. In Blankenship, Gavin Berry, Kipton Curd, Eddie Johnson. Miss Bolton, Jalen Shader. Also for first quarter, in Miss Kerr, Jeremiah Boone, Cohen Doe, Amani Lett. In Gardner, Christian Curtis. In Hamlin, Kinley North. In Hatcher, DeQuincy Sanders. In Lankford, Mariah Carlisle. In Moeller, Audrey Franklin. In Moore, Ariana Goodwin White. And in Shepherd, Dagan Dickey and Mahogany Lines. Way to go to all those AR Superstars from first quarter. And as of yesterday, it started all over again. So everyone has the chance to meet their quarterly goal starting now.
Send us your questions. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library. Questions of the day. This question was asked by Shelton and Miss Bertolino, 5th grade class. How is summer and winter different?
Mahogany and Emily found the answer.
Winter has cold weather, little daylight, and limit plant growth. Summer is the warmest time of the year and has the most daylight, so plants grow quickly, and autumn temperatures drop and many trees lose their leaves.
That is a great question. Thanks for asking that, Shelton, and good job, Mahogany and Emily, giving us an answer to that question of the day. How is summer and winter different?
That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.